This portion of the video is sponsored by Eula Hair. Eula Hair sent over 3 bundles of 26 inches straight hair in the color 1B. I'm going to have it linked down below if any of you would like to purchase this. Now I'm going to do a mini unboxing to show you guys what they provide in it. So I got a Eula Hair info pamphlet card. I got a wig cap that is actually in the color dark brown, and I have instructions manual that talks about care. I got a comb and lashes, and here's the 3 bundles in 26 inches. This is how it's packaged. They are so long, and I'm so excited to sew them into my hair. So the longer your bundles is, the smaller that the bundle pack will look. Again, I'm just showing you guys that it's 26 inches, and the length, the color, and the quality. It's so soft, it's long, and I'm so excited to try it on. Let's begin. So first off, I have to start off with dyeing my hair because my hair is black and brown. So I need to dye jet black so it matches the bundles that I'm going to put in. As you can see, I look bad now. This is maintenance. Hair and swellings at a hair shop, and I'm gonna buy door hair dyes. So they're $800 for one, so I think I need 2. I might need 3. Regular black or door hair dyes. I got 2 of these, jet black. Actually, I owe you now. So I got the wrong ones. These are the right ones.
Next time you call me and say don't buy what you feel like, you know.
I don't know. She's full of attitude. She's doing my hair today. So yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start my hair now. I haven't combed my hair in 2 weeks. Washing the product out my hair now. So I'm going to be doing a middle part tone as I discussed earlier in the video. As you can see, my hair is two-toned. So we're going to color it back so it could look more sleek once I sew in the hair. And what we did was we washed out the product out of my hair prior to coloring it. So this is what she's doing. She washed it out and then now she's detangling it. So you can try this out too. Let me know when was the last time you sewed in hair. I feel like if I try this hairstyle, I can look more well put together all the time, because all I would have to do is work with my leave out. And I'm just excited, guys. So you can definitely think about doing this hairstyle, and you can shop it down below in the description box. Okay, it's back to black boring hair. So we're gonna wait a bit while this is sitting in. I'm done. So all she did was wash it, dye it, blow dry, and that's it. So we're gonna go into part 2 now. This is just the beginning. Oh, and she trimmed it too. So this is the process. This takes so long. Just for one little hairstyle. Alright, actually I'm going to have to dye the wigs. So here's the bucket I'm going to be dyeing it in, and I made the water hot. I'm going to be using the same hair dye that I used to dye my natural hair. So let's begin. Alright, so I brought it out into the natural sunlight, and I was like, yeah, this is not giving jet black like my hair. So I have to. Okay, I just poured the water in. I'm preparing the mix to put in the bucket. I'm doing water dye method, and I'll show you how the bundles look once it's sewed on. So I'll see you in the next. Okay, I'm here now at this hair salon. So I dyed my hair, and I dyed the bundles too. So I dyed it the same exact color of my hair because that would be embarrassing. So let me show you guys. It needs to dry somewhat. So here it is from Eula Hair, as I was telling you guys. So I'm in Jamaica and it's hot, so the humidity will make my hair go back to being puffy as soon as I straighten it, even if I do a silk press too. Actually no, not for silk press, it takes a few days, but I need it to stay permanently because it's yeah, so I'm just waiting for my tan. Okay, so for the I don't know what to sew. For this sewing, I want to have like some of the sides leave out too. Oh, maybe the side and then the middle. Yeah, both this one. So it's gonna be used in the leave out. Okay, now she's detangling my hair, and she's going to look at my hair and see exactly what parts she's going to leave out. So she just want to strategize it from now so she knows what exactly she's working with. And I told her I want a center part. We took out the center part and we took out the sides so the hair looks as natural as possible. Even though it's a sew-in, yeah, we want the hair to look natural as possible. So what she's going in with right now is the texturizer and she's putting it on my leave out because I need to have my hair straight but not permanent that it damages my hair. So we're gonna see how it looks. All right, we're gonna wait 15 minutes and then we're gonna come back. I was telling her, what if she grabs my hair like this and then you just see my hair?
I'll see you.
Okay, so for people who don't know, the reason why I'm doing this is because the humidity and it's hot in Jamaica. So if I did a sew-in and I just silk pressed it, after a while my hair would have just went back to being puffy. But this, no matter what, my hair's still gonna stay straight, hopefully, so that's why. And instead of using a perm, I use a texturizer because the texturizer, in a few months my hair can revert back, hopefully. But with the perm, it's gonna go fully straight, permanently. So I would have to grow up my hair and then cut off what I don't want to cut off, if I want to cut it off, yeah. After 15 minutes, we are now shampooing and conditioning the hair and we're washing it all out. I'm so excited to see. So as you can see, my hair is really, really loose at the front compared to my natural hair pattern, as you can see right here. And we're just going to blow dry the hair. Now she's going to separate the parts that have been texturized, and then we're going to lay the foundation for the wig. So what she's doing right now, she's cane rolling it, and she's doing it as small as possible. She's going to allow the bundles to lay flat on my head, and that's what I actually want. Okay, the progress so far. And then I'm gonna come back to you guys once it's fully done. Like, whole cane rolling. Okay, so the sewing's done. Oh, not the sewing. The foundation is done now. Now we're gonna sew in Eula hair in 26 inches. So I'll have it linked down below in the description box, as always. So let me know down below if you would do the sew-in method or would you do the quick weave method where you glue the hair onto a wig clap, and I think it only takes 15 minutes. So let me know what you're more interested in. I have done both before, but I want to see how long this sewing can last me until my scalp itches and I just don't like the hairstyle anymore, because I know how I am. I'll keep something in for a week or two and then I'm like, oh, I want to try a different hairstyle. But so far I'm liking it and I'm excited because I haven't done something where it's permanent. And when it comes to wigs, I enjoy taking off my wigs after because my hair can breathe and I don't feel like I'm restricted. But this looks good so far. Okay, we're done this sewing now. Now we're going to straighten it and then so here we are now. Now we are styling the hair by straightening it. I didn't want to do curls or anything along those lines. I just wanted straight hair. So right here, we were just talking and laughing about things, but now we're reaching up to the top of my hair. So now we're going to do the leave out. And I was showing that I didn't really dye the hair properly because there's some brown spots, but good thing my natural hair is long enough to cover the brown spots. And I just want to see how my natural hair will blend in with the virgin hair from Eula Hair. Again, you guys can shop Eula Hair down below in the description box. The hairstylist was complimenting the length. She was complimenting the quality. I got a lot of compliments in the salon, how they love how the hair flows, how it looks. There was minimal shedding and they were saying that it just looks very high end and the texture and quality was very nice. So I was like, oh girl, that means this hair is really, really nice. So what she's doing now is straightening the hair. I was telling you guys, she's taking her time. She's doing root to end, and the hair is very long, as you guys can see, 26 inches, and I love long hair. I feel like long hair looks the best. And then she's going with the side. Now I want the side to cover up the tracks of my hair because I want to put my hair behind my ears, and if the wind blows, the wind can blow as much as I want because it's not going to show my tracks and it's not going to be embarrassing. So that's a little trick for any of you that would want to do that. And if you have natural hair, you can try texturizing since it's not a permanent solution, instead of perming or creaming your hair. But again, I'm going to see how this holds up throughout the day to see if my hair will withstand the humidity. And we're going to see how it looks. But so far it looks good. It looks silky and it's blending into the bundles really nicely. And that is the end of this video. You can shop Eula Hair in the description box. This is my hair. in 26 inches. I'm 5'7". This is how it looks. I love how the hairstyle looks, and I will see you guys in my next YouTube video.